Cashews, creamy, crunchy, and packed with nutrients. But did you know that these delicious nuts have a fascinating history and a host of health benefits? Let's dive into the journey of cashews from ancient times to modern-day superfood status. In a land where sunshine greets the dawn, where forests whisper tales of yon, there grows a nut, both curved and true, the cashew tree, in skies so blue. Our story begins in northeastern Brazil, where indigenous people first discovered wild cashew trees. These trees thrived in the tropical climate, and the nuts quickly became a staple in the local diet. The cashew tree, scientifically known as Anacardium occidentale, is native to tropical South America. It was first documented by European explorers in Brazil, where the indigenous Tupi people utilized both the nut and the cashew apple. This is the nut and the cashew apple. Please watch my video to the end for delicious recipe and funny dialogue. Please subscribe. Thank you. The tree was later spread to other tropical regions, including India and Africa by Portuguese colonists, explorers in the 16th century, where it became a significant agricultural product. From Brazil's warm and vibrant soil to lands afar, it spread its toil. Its fruit, a gem of golden light, with treasures hidden, day and night. The name, cashew, has its origins in the Tupi Indian word, acaju, which translates to, nut. The Tupi term translates to, nut that produces itself, reflecting the unique growth of the cashew nut at the base of the cashew apple, rather than within a hard shell like most conventional nuts. This term was adopted into Portuguese as, caju, from which the English name is derived. The cashew nut, unlike traditional nuts, grows at the end of a swollen stem called the cashew apple, making it unique in its development and appearance. The Portuguese loved these nuts so much that they spread cashew trees to their colonies in Africa and India. In India, cashews, or kaju, are often given as gifts during festivals and auspicious occasions, symbolizing good luck and prosperity. The combination of cashews and raisins, known as kaju kishmish, is particularly popular. As European traders established new trade routes, cashews spread to different continents, including Asia and the Americas. They quickly gained popularity as a valuable commodity and became a beloved ingredient in various cuisines worldwide. Your heart-shaped shell, so tough, so bold, conceals a story, ages old. Through sun and rain, through storm and breeze, you gift us joy with gentle ease. Today, cashews are cultivated in several countries, with India, Vietnam, Brazil, and Africa being the top producers. The global cashew industry continues to thrive, providing a wide range of products to consumers around the world. Beneath the tree where shadows play, in tropical hues of bright array, you wait, so patiently, to be a wonder in our revelry. Cashews also played a role in warfare. Historical records indicate that warriors in India and Africa carried cashews as a portable and nutritious snack during battles. Their high nutritional value made them an ideal food to sustain energy during long campaigns. Cashews are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. They're rich in healthy fats, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. Just 1 ounce of cashews provides 5 grams of protein, 12 grams of healthy fats, and essential minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and copper. Dark chocolate-covered cashew is a very heart-healthy treat. For health and heart, for taste and cheer, we thank you for each passing year. Health benefits. Heart health. Cashews can help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, reducing the risk of heart disease. Weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, cashews can aid in weight management by keeping you full longer due to their protein and healthy fat content. Bone health. Cashews are rich in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which are essential for maintaining strong bones. Diabetes management. With a low glycemic index, cashews are a good choice for people with type 2 diabetes, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Immune support. The zinc and antioxidants in cashews boost the immune system, helping to fight off infections and maintain overall health. Cashews are incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them roasted, in trail mixes, as a creamy base for sauces, or even as cashew milk. Their delightful flavor and crunch make them a favorite in both sweet and savory dishes. Recipe: healthy, delicious cashew chicken stir-fry. Ingredients: 1 pound, 450 grams, boneless, skinless chicken breast, cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 cup raw cashews, 2 tablespoons olive oil or coconut oil, 1 red bell pepper, sliced, 1 yellow bell pepper, sliced, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 medium carrot, thinly sliced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1-inch piece of ginger, grated, 3 green onions, sliced, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, cooked brown rice or quinoa for serving. Instructions: prepare the sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, rice vinegar, and sesame oil. Cook the chicken. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add the chicken pieces and cook until browned and cooked through, about 25–30 minutes. Remove the chicken from the skillet and set aside. Toast the cashews. In the same skillet, add the cashews. And toast them over medium heat until they are golden brown and fragrant, about 3–4 minutes. Remove the cashews and set aside. Cook the vegetables. Add the remaining tablespoon of oil to the skillet. Add the garlic and ginger, and sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant. Add the bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots. Stir-fry for about 5–6 minutes until the vegetables are tender crisp. Combine everything. Return the chicken and cashews to the skillet. Pour the sauce over the mixture and stir well to combine. Serve. Serve the cashew chicken stir-fry over cooked brown rice or quinoa. Enjoy your healthy and delicious cashew chicken stir-fry. From creamy sauces, rich and fine, to savory dishes, you define, to butters spread on morning toast, you are the nut we love the most. Now it is time for a funny dialogue: cashew and hazelnut, a nutty conversation. Cashew: ah, another beautiful day in the nut bowl. Good morning, Hazel. Hazelnut: morning, Cashew. Slept like a rock. How about you, Cashew? Slept like a nut, of course. So, any plans for today? Maybe a stroll around the snack aisle? Hazelnut: well, I thought I'd crack some jokes and see if I can drive the almonds nuts. Cashew: that sounds like a shell of a good time. But be careful, you might end up in a jam. Hazelnut: oh, I'm not worried. I'm pretty hard to crack under pressure. How about you? Anything exciting on the horizon? Cashew: I was thinking of joining the trail mix. I hear it's a real adventure. You never know who you'll meet. Hazelnut: true, but watch out for those old raisins. They always get stuck on you and never let go. Cashew: tell me about it. Last time, I ended up in a sticky situation. Literally. Hazelnut: well, better than ending up in the cereal box. Those limp flakes are so corny. Cashew: good one, but you know, we nuts really do make life more interesting. Imagine a world without us, it'd be so plain and boring. Hazelnut: you're right. We bring crunch, flavor, and a whole lot of fun for everyone. We're basically the life of the snack party. Cashew, speaking of parties, did you hear about the peanut? He's throwing a shindig this weekend. Hazelnut, really? I heard his parties are the best, always nutty packed, and everyone's roasted just right. Cashew, exactly. So, shall we go and show them how we nutty nuts really have a good time? Let's go nuts. Cashew, that's the spirit. To the peanut nutty nuts party we go. Hazelnut, just remember, no matter what happens, stay shell-shocked and ready for anything. Let's rock and roll, Cashew. Stay happy and healthy. I will see you in my next healthy, nutritious and nutty episode. Here's to you, dear cashew nut, in salads tossed or simply cut, you bring delight, and this is true, the world is brighter thanks to you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.